So, how does it work? It's quite simple, really. First, student will pick the class they're interested in. Then, they will pick the time and day for their free trial. We want to make sure that they're able to sample it and test it, make sure they like it before actually signing up. Once you've decided that you like the class and would like to sign up for the class, you will then pick a time and day that works best for you from our available time and days. Note that as we gain more coaches, there will be more available times and days. The duration of the class is 1 hour. You can meet once a week, twice a week, or 3 times a week. Keep in mind the prices vary per the amount of times we meet per week. Joining class is just as easy. We use a third-party tool called Zoom. You'll be given a personal URL. You simply type that into your favorite browser or copy-paste it or simply click on it from the email reminders that are sent out before class actually starts. We do one-on-one classes because we want to make sure that it's a personal experience and that the coaches who are teaching can really focus in on that student's learning abilities. Well, I think that covers it. If there's anything else you'd like to find out, head over to our Contact Us page, check out the Q&A, or send us a question to our email address.